in my chest. A million words that I never confessed it. Dark skies, but I fake the shine. Smile wide, but I'm dying inside. I scroll through the photos like time ain't real. Each frame's in a cut that I never could heal. Talk to the stars when I can't find sleep. Hoping your soul somewhere still keeps. Where did you go when I needed you most? I whisper to shadows, I dance with your ghost. Still hear your voice in the breeze at night. I'm holding on, trying to make it right. Used to think forever was made for us. Now I'm driving through life on a broken bus. Pain in the verse, but the beast my bandage. Words bleed truth, yeah, I speak in damage. Everybody wanna win, but I lost my pride. Truth hit hard when you're locked inside. I'm not broken, just battle scarred. Made peace with my flaws, now wear them hard. Where did you go when I needed you most? I whisper to shadows, I dance with your ghost. Still hear your voice in the breeze at night. I'm holding on, trying to make it right. This is for the nights when nobody cared, when you cried in the dark and nobody stared. But you kept going, now you're still here. Every scar is proof you conquered fear.